Hi, nature lovers. This is BBTV Official. Thanks for you've joined us on a journey across the globe, seeking out the most beautiful, extraordinary, and rare birds on Earth. Through parts 1 to 4, we've marveled at colors and calls that seem too beautiful to be real. But today, we promise to take you deeper than ever before. This is part 5, most beautiful birds in the world, and it might just be the most mesmerizing episode yet. These aren't just birds. Each one is a marvel of evolution, crafted by nature in ways that are as mysterious as they are beautiful. You'll see the elusive Quetzal, the delicate budgerigar, the regal red-crowned crane, and more, each with their unique stories, hunting skills, and nesting secrets. Stick with us as we unlock the mysteries of these 10 incredible avian wonders. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's begin our journey. Quetzal. Among the misty cloud forests of Central America lives a bird of mythic beauty and mystique, the resplendent Quetzal. Known for its radiant green and scarlet plumage and trailing tail feathers, this legendary bird has captivated cultures, artists, and bird enthusiasts for centuries. Let's journey into the heart of the forest to uncover the secrets of this extraordinary bird, known as one of the most beautiful in the world. The resplendent Quetzal, scientifically known as Pharomacris mochino, is native to the high-altitude cloud forests of Central America, specifically found in countries like Costa Rica, Guatemala, and Panama. Living in cool, humid regions, the Quetzal thrives within these misty, evergreen forests at elevations between 1,200 to 3,000 meters, where the dense canopy offers shelter, food, and prime nesting spots. Primarily frugivorous, the resplendent Quetzal feeds on wild avocados and other small fruits found within its forest habitat. These small fruits are swallowed whole, with the Quetzal later regurgitating the seeds, making it an essential seed disperser that aids in the growth and regeneration of the forest. During the breeding season, the Quetzal's diet broadens to include insects, small amphibians, and lizards to meet the nutritional demands of its young. Its agile flight and sharp eyesight allow the Quetzal to catch insects and other prey mid-air, showcasing both its precision and versatility as a hunter. When it's time to nest, the Quetzal chooses an abandoned woodpecker hole high in the trees, where it carves out a snug, moss-lined chamber. This hidden nest is both a sanctuary and a fortress, keeping its vulnerable eggs safe from predators. The depth of the nest hole and its elevation offer unparalleled security, allowing the Quetzal to raise its young in peace. Budgerigar. Small but vibrant, the budgerigar, or budgie as it's affectionately known, is a feathered gem from the arid landscapes of Australia. Known for its lively personality, brilliant colors, and remarkable adaptability, the budgie has become one of the world's most popular pet birds. But beyond the cage, the budgerigar's wild origins reveal a resilient and social bird with fascinating behaviors. Budgies are true nomads, traveling in flocks across Australia's arid inland regions in search of food and water. These resourceful birds can fly long distances, and their ability to adapt to fluctuating conditions has allowed them to flourish in the wild. Although widespread, their populations vary based on rainfall and food availability, often booming in rainy years when resources are plentiful. Budgerigars are primarily granivores, relying on seeds from native grasses and shrubs. With their strong, curved beaks, they skillfully crack open grass seeds and small grains, obtaining the nutrients they need to survive in challenging conditions. When seeds are scarce, they'll also consume fruits, leaves, and small insects. Budgerigars nest in hollows of eucalyptus trees, always close to a water source. Within the hollows, they line their nests with chewed wood and leaves, creating a soft cushion for their eggs. These nests may be small, but they're built to shield against both predators and the extremes of temperature. Tropic bird. Graceful, mysterious, and adorned with striking tail feathers, the red-tailed tropic bird, Phaethon rubricata, is found across tropical and subtropical regions of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, often nesting on remote islands and rocky atolls. This majestic seabird is perfectly adapted to life at sea, spending much of its time gliding over open water in search of food. Tropic birds are rarely seen on land except during nesting, where they rely on isolated, predator-free islands to raise their young in safety. These birds are well known for their striking red tail streamers and long wings, which enable them to cover great distances across the ocean. With populations thriving in the warm waters of regions such as Hawaii, Madagascar, and the Great Barrier Reef, tropic birds embody the untamed beauty of the ocean's vast, unexplored realms. Primarily piscivorous, tropic birds rely on a diet of fish and squid, which they skillfully capture from the ocean's surface. Using their sharp beaks and expert diving abilities, these agile birds dive into the water from impressive heights, reaching prey with remarkable precision. Their streamlined bodies allow them to penetrate the water smoothly, hunting just below the surface where schools of fish and squid are abundant. For its nest, the tropic bird seeks out rocky cliff edges on isolated islands, far from land predators. Here, it scratches out a simple nest in a crevice, often under an overhang that offers shade. Tropic birds are devoted parents, rearing only one chick per season. Their nesting sites, though minimalistic, are safe havens where young birds learn the ways of the ocean. Yellow-crested cockatoo. Vibrant, intelligent, and full of character, the yellow-crested cockatoo is an eye-catching resident of Southeast Asia's lush forests. Known for its striking yellow crest and highly social nature, this cockatoo is as lively as it is beautiful. But beyond its charm lies a story of survival, as this rare bird faces increasing threats to its habitat and existence. The yellow-crested cockatoo, Cockatoos sulphurea, is native to the tropical forests of Indonesia and East Timor, with populations on islands like Sulawesi, Bali, and Lombok. These cockatoos thrive in both lowland and mountainous regions, where they find abundant food, nesting sites, and shelter among the dense foliage. Preferring open woodlands, savannas, and cultivated areas, they are often seen near human settlements where they can find new food sources. This adaptability has been both a blessing and a curse, as it brings them into contact with humans and exposes them to threats like habitat destruction and illegal trapping. With their natural habitats diminishing, these cockatoos have become increasingly rare in the wild, now limited to smaller populations in specific areas. Yellow-crested cockatoos are omnivores, with a diet that primarily consists of seeds, fruits, nuts, berries, and blossoms. They have powerful, curved beaks that can crack open even the toughest shells, allowing them access to a variety of food sources. Foraging in small flocks, they work together to locate fruits and seeds in the forest canopy, often using their nimble claws to hold and manipulate food as they eat. cockatoo. Bold, striking, and mysterious, the palm cockatoo, also known as the Goliath cockatoo, is a bird unlike any other. With its jet-black feathers, prominent red cheeks, and a crest that commands attention, this unique parrot stands out in the rainforests of northern Australia and New Guinea. Preferring open forests near water sources, this large cockatoo thrives in lowland rainforests, swamp forests, and gallery forests along rivers. With a range that spans across tropical, humid regions, the palm cockatoo is well adapted to life in dense forests and is rarely seen outside these habitats. Primarily frugivorous, the palm cockatoo's diet includes a variety of fruits, seeds, and nuts, which it skillfully cracks open using its powerful beak, the largest of any cockatoo species. This beak allows the palm cockatoo to access even the toughest seeds and nuts that other birds may avoid, making it a key player in its ecosystem. In addition to fruits and seeds, palm cockatoos also eat bark, berries, and occasionally insects, showing a remarkable adaptability in their feeding habits. The palm cockatoo's robust beak, coupled with dexterous claws, helps it expertly manipulate and handle food. In their tropical forest habitats, they often forage for food at various heights, moving through the trees and forest floor with ease. By eating and dispersing seeds from native plants, these cockatoos contribute to forest regeneration, ensuring the health and diversity of their environment. When it comes to nesting, the palm cockatoo is very selective, using hollow tree trunks, which it lines with a layer of wood chips to cushion the eggs. The effort invested in preparing this nest shows just how much the palm cockatoo values its offspring. Lady Amherst's pheasant. Striking, elegant, and a true spectacle of nature, Lady Amherst's pheasant is a bird that captures the imagination of anyone fortunate enough to encounter it. With its vibrant plumage adorned with intricate patterns and vivid colors, this pheasant stands as one of the most stunning avian species in the world. Lady Amherst's pheasant, Chrysolophus amherstii, is native to the dense, moist forests of southwestern China and northern Myanmar. Preferring to inhabit areas rich in underbrush and dense vegetation, this pheasant thrives in the cool, shady environments of evergreen and mixed forests. The thick foliage provides both cover from predators and ample foraging opportunities, allowing this bird to navigate its habitat with ease. An omnivorous feeder, Lady Amherst's pheasant primarily consumes seeds, fruits, berries, and small invertebrates. Its diet is diverse and varies with the changing seasons, allowing it to adapt to the availability of food sources in its forest environment. The pheasant forages on the forest floor, using its keen eyesight and sharp beak to locate food hidden among the leaves and debris. Lady Amherst's pheasants build simple nests on the ground, usually hidden under bushes or fallen branches. The nests are shallow depressions lined with leaves and feathers. These secluded, low-profile nests are crucial for protecting the eggs from potential predators, allowing the female to raise her young in relative safety. Maroon oriole. Vibrant, melodious, and undeniably striking, the maroon oriole is a true gem of the avian world. With its rich, deep plumage and captivating song, this bird enchants anyone fortunate enough to witness its beauty in the wild. The maroon oriole is primarily found in the lush tropical forests of Southeast Asia, particularly in countries like Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia. Preferring lowland rainforests and dense wooded areas, this bird thrives in habitats that provide ample cover and food sources. It can often be seen flitting through the canopy or foraging in the understory, where it searches for its next meal. A true omnivore, The maroon oriole has a varied diet that includes fruits, insects, and nectar. It primarily forages in the canopy, where it gleans insects from leaves and bark, demonstrating exceptional agility and precision in its movements. The bird is particularly fond of figs, berries, and nectar from flowering plants, making it an important pollinator within its habitat. For nesting, maroon orioles choose high tree branches, far from the ground. They weave delicate nests with grass and twigs, creating a basket-like structure that sways with the wind. The height and flexibility of the nest offer protection, as predators find it difficult to reach. Both parents share the responsibility of caring for their young, with the male standing guard while the female incubates the eggs. Hyacinth macaw. Majestic, vibrant, and awe-inspiring. The hyacinth macaw is the largest parrot species in the world, and it's no surprise that it captures the hearts of all who encounter it. With its brilliant cobalt blue feathers, striking yellow eye patches, and impressive wingspan, this magnificent bird is a true jewel of the avian world. The hyacinth macaw is primarily found in the tropical forests, palm swamps, and open savannas of Brazil, Paraguay, and Bolivia. Preferring habitats with tall trees and abundant food sources, this parrot thrives in regions such as the Pantanal wetlands and the Brazilian Cerrado. These environments not only provide shelter, but also serve as rich foraging grounds for the hyacinth macaw. A true specialist when it comes to diet, the hyacinth macaw primarily feeds on hard-shelled nuts, particularly those of the acuri palm and other native fruits. Its powerful, curved beak is perfectly adapted for cracking open tough nuts and seeds, allowing it to access nutrient-rich food that many other birds cannot. The macaw's foraging behavior often involves climbing high into the trees to locate food sources, showcasing its impressive strength and agility. These macaws nest in tree hollows, often in tall palms. Finding the right hollow is a challenge, and competition is fierce, as these sites offer the best protection. Inside, they line the hollow with leaves and sticks, creating a sturdy, warm space for their eggs. Hyacinth macaws are deeply bonded, with both parents working together to protect and feed their young. Red-crowned crane. Elegant, majestic, and deeply symbolic, the red-crowned crane is a true icon of the avian world. Known for its striking appearance and graceful movements, this magnificent bird has captivated the hearts of people across cultures, particularly in East Asia, where it is often associated with longevity and good fortune. With its striking red crown, long legs, and impressive wingspan, the red-crowned crane is not only a visual marvel, but also a vital part of its ecosystem. An omnivorous feeder, the red-crowned crane enjoys a varied diet that includes plants, seeds, insects, crustaceans, and small fish. These cranes are known for their foraging techniques, often probing the mud with their long beaks to uncover hidden food sources. They also use their keen eyesight to spot food items, demonstrating their adaptability in different habitats. Red-crowned cranes build their nests in shallow water, using reeds and grasses to create a raised platform. These nests are often hidden among dense reeds, providing natural camouflage. The cranes are known for their lifelong pair bonds, and both parents are equally involved in incubating the eggs and caring for the young. Their iconic courtship dance strengthens their bond and prepares them for the challenging task of raising their offspring. Albatross. Majestic, graceful, and enigmatic, the albatross is a true icon of the ocean. Known for its incredible wingspan and remarkable flying abilities, this magnificent bird embodies the spirit of the open sea. With its striking plumage and powerful gliding techniques, the albatross has captured the imagination of sailors and birdwatchers alike. The albatross can be found in the Southern Ocean and the North Pacific Ocean. These birds are highly pelagic, spending most of their lives far from land, often only returning to shore to breed. They are particularly abundant in regions where upwelling currents bring nutrient-rich waters to the surface, supporting an abundance of marine life. The most famous species, the wandering albatross, boasts the largest wingspan of any bird, reaching up to 12 feet, allowing it to cover vast distances as it travels across the ocean. When it comes to nesting, albatrosses prefer remote islands where they can establish their colonies. They typically build their nests on cliffs or grassy slopes, creating simple nests from grass and soil. The female usually lays a single egg, which both parents take turns incubating for about 11 to 13 weeks. This long incubation period reflects their commitment to raising a healthy chick. These 10 birds represent the splendor and resilience of nature, each adapted to a life as unique as the feathers on their backs. Each one reminds us of the beauty and wonder that fill our world. Which bird captivated you most? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to BBTV Official for more incredible nature explorations. Until next time, may we continue to cherish and protect the beauty around us.